All right, here's kind of a tricky problem. It says the absolute value of 3 times x equals 9. Now, before we do this, I just want you to look over at this one. This is an example that I did earlier. It says the absolute value of 3x together equals 9. Remember when we have the absolute value by itself, we make our two cases, our positive and negative case. And then we go ahead and solve, so I get x equals 3 and x equals negative 3. In this one, we still have to get our absolute value by itself, so I'm going to divide by x. All right, and that gives me the absolute value of 3 equals 9 over x. But if I were to make my two different cases here, we have to remember that since the absolute value of 3 can only mean positive 3, this, what it equals, has to also be positive. Or another way to think of it would be absolute value implies distance. Distance can't be negative. Therefore, whatever the absolute value equals here, it has to be positive on this side. And the only value that would work here, well, 9 divided by what gives me the positive 3? 9 divided by 3. Okay, so in this case, if I replace the x with 3, then the only way this works is if x equals